Hey, hi everyone. Just wanted to remind you that tomorrow, couple things. I've got a little bit of housekeeping for you here, a couple things. One, don't forget tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Central Time, Wednesday night, I'll have Isabel here from Mommy Circle, and she's going to talk to us about raising children, small children. And if you know someone who is a new mommy, this will be a great opportunity to share with them. Second thing is, I hope you got my newsletter today. What'd you think of those pictures of me? One when I was like 19. Wow. What do you think of that hair? I got to tell you, my father was livid when I did that. He was so mad at me. Oh my gosh, he threatened to keep me in the house for a month, which of course my father never follows through on his threats. But anyway, I just love those streaks. And then of course you see as the progression what I look like, you know, about 5, 6, 7 years ago. And then of course on the top is always my, hey, here I am today picture. But what I also wanted to share with you is, hey, I hope you like peanut butter and chocolate, because I've got a fantastic recipe for you for tomorrow. So the newsletter will be out tomorrow morning with the chocolate peanut butter recipe. Not going to tell you much more about it. I made it for Jill McKeever's birthday party, and everyone loved it. So make sure you get that newsletter for tomorrow. And then tomorrow night we'll talk to Isabel and find out what's going on in the mommy world. Okay? So just wanted to pop on and tell you all that. It's a short reminder of things to come. And then next week, next week I'll start talking about this more after tomorrow. But next week I was hoping to do something. I don't want to call it the hot seat, but I kind of want to call it the hot seat, but I won't. I'll come up with another name because that freaked out somebody when we talked about it last week. But I will like some volunteers who would like to have a strategy call with everyone there, if you don't mind, if you're brave enough. And we'll talk about some strategies on losing weight and getting rid of our meds and move forward with that. Sound good? I hope so. All right, guys, have a fantastic day. I'll see you tomorrow.